Hello, friends. So, all those people who want to be an emphatic public speaker, there are six basic things that everyone needs to consider. What are they? First, structure. There has to be a certain kind of structure in what you speak. The structure can be innovative, you can be innovative in building the structure. But conventionally, there should be an introduction, right? There should be a body, there should be a conclusion. Make your introduction interesting. Talk in such a manner that you grasp the attention of the audience. Right? Then you describe, use a story. Right? There will be various ways you can make your structure interesting. But anything that you do, there has to be a sequence to it. There has to be a logical reasoning to it. Right? Unless and until you give a proper structure to what you speak, the audience will not grasp in totality what the messaging that you want to send across. Therefore, it is very important to have proper structure. Second is eye contact. Remember, there will be a number of people. So, people tend to get nervous and they're not able to have proper eye contact. What is important in speaking to a huge audience is consider the huge audience as individuals, right? It is very important to consider the huge audience as individual because only then you can make yourself confident. Just imagine thousands of people as one individual and talk to them as you are talking to one particular person, as you're talking to your friend, as you're talking to your colleagues. Just consider them as individuals. The more you practice, the more easier it becomes when you go to a large stage, right? Third important point is making notes. It's very important to have notes. There might be various formats that you use when you go to speak, right? So it's important to make notes of bullet points, to make notes of important points. So it may not be easier for you to write down everything and practice whatever you have written. But end of the day, when you speak, you'll not be able to speak the exact thing what you have written, right? So it is important to have a hold on the subject that you are speaking. So have complete understanding on the subject that you are talking about, right? And you just need to remember the bullet points or the main important points that you need to discuss. You can elaborate as per your grasp on the subject, but you need to make notes so that it becomes easier when you are talking to a greater audience. Fourth one is clear, simple slides. You do not need to make flamboyant slides. You do not need to be have too much of effects, too much of animations. Just make simple slides so that the concept, so that what you're speaking pass on to the people that you're addressing. The other thing that you need to make sure that you should bring on is confident posture and gestures. Remember, when you are talking, when you are communicating, people do give huge importance what they see, right? Body language. What you yourself as a package wants to speak to the audience. They will understand what you're speaking when they will visualize what you're trying to speak, right? It doesn't mean that you have to do what you're speaking, but your body language should be such a way that it will be able to catch their attention and they will be interested, they will be intrigued to listen to your words, listen to what you're speaking. So there is a crucial requirement of body language over here. That's the reason the more confident you are, the more clear your body language is, the more confident your body language is, your postures, your gestures, your voice, everything combines the body language, right? So it might happen in due course. The more you speak, the confidence will come, right? So it's absolutely normal to be nervous in the first instance, but after you speak more, after you have more command of the subject and you have practiced it, you'll get the confidence. And the last point is loud voice and pauses. So when you speak, if you speak continuously without any pause, will that be interesting? If you speak softly, will that be interesting? No. You have to speak in a voice. Of course, you have a microphone, but the tone should be as such that it will be interesting to hear. It should grasp the audience attention, right? The voice, the pauses, the story that you are talking, right? Everything is a package. Your voice, your confidence, the pauses that you take, the throw of your voice, right? Your gestures, hand movements, everything comes as a package. So these 6 points are very important to ensure that you have a good public speaking experience. These are basics but very important for each public speaker to take into account. Thanks for being patient and hearing me out. Thank you.